What happens when engineering curiosity meets the human drive to push boundaries? Let me show you. Welcome to BruceLabs, where curiosity turns into creation. This is where engineering meets endurance, where AI interacts with the physical, and where every project becomes a story worth telling. Follow our journey as we build, test, and tell stories with technology, athletics, and a growth mindset. Here, you'll learn about DIY builds, our experiments with systems that connect the digital and physical world, and practical engineering insights that you can apply in your daily lives. No fluff, just systems and highlights. Here, I'll document my running adventures, challenges, and my data-driven training approach as I push past arbitrary limits towards a stronger, healthier life. In this playlist, I'll share my personal and professional reflections, principles, tools, and habits for a balanced, purposeful career and life. Every episode blends science, creativity, and holistic growth with real builds, real data, and the occasional failure shared openly. Whether you're into innovation, self-improvement, or curiosity-driven learning, subscribe now, like this video, and jump into the playlist linked at the end. Welcome to BruceLabs. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and jump into the playlist linked at the end.